Systems of Measurement is Unit 6 of the course Basic Mathematics. Objective number 1. Convert US units of length, inches, feet, and yards. These are the conversion factors. 1 foot equals 12 inches and 1 yard equals 3 feet. Example number 1. Convert 5 feet 4 inches to inches. So for our solution here, we are going to convert 5 feet to inches, then add 4 inches. To convert 5 feet to inches, we are going to multiply it by a conversion factor where the foot is shown on the denominator. So that's 5 feet times 12 inches over 1 foot. And then we are going to add 4 inches. So foot should be on the denominator so that this unit will cancel out. 5 times 12 inches equals 60 inches, then plus 4 inches. And 60 inches plus 4 inches equals 64 inches. Objective number 2. Convert US units of area, square feet, and square inches. This is our conversion factor. 1 foot squared equals 144 inches squared. Example number 2. Convert 576 inches squared to feet squared. For our solution, we are going to copy down the measurement that we are going to convert. That's 576 inches squared, and multiply it by a conversion factor in fraction form such that the inches squared is on the denominator. So that's 1 foot squared over 144 inches squared. So this inches squared cancels out. So this means 576 times 1 foot squared divided by 144. And 576 divided by 144 equals 4. So our answer is 4 feet squared. Objective number 3. Convert US units of volume to another volume, gallons and barrels. 1 BBL or barrels of oil equals 42 gallon. Example number 3. Convert 12 BBL to gal. We are going to copy down 12 BBL and multiply it by a conversion factor such that BBL is on the denominator. So that's 12 BBL times 42 gal over 1 BBL. And this BBL cancels out, and 12 times 42 equals 504. So our answer here is 504 gal. Objective number 4. Convert SI units of length, millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers. These are the conversion factors. 1 km equals 1000 m, 1 m equals 100 cm, and 1 cm equals 10 mm. Example number 4. Convert 2.3 km to cm. We don't have a conversion factor that converts km to cm. So what we are going to do here is convert km to m first, then from m to cm. So we are going to copy down 2.3 km, then multiply it by a conversion factor such that km is on the denominator. Now to convert m to cm, we are going to multiply it again by a conversion factor that shows m on the denominator. So that's 100 cm over 1m. So this km cancels out, and also this m cancels out. So this means 2.3 times 1000 times 100 cm, and it is equal to 230,000 cm. Objective number 5. Convert SI units of area, square centimeters, square meters, and square kilometers. And these are our conversion factors. 1 km squared equals 1 million m squared, and 1 m squared equals 10,000 cm squared. Example number 5. Convert 4 million cm squared to m squared. So we are going to copy down 4 million cm squared and multiply it by a conversion factor where cm squared is on the denominator. So that's times 1 m squared over 10,000 cm squared. So this cm squared cancels out. So that means 4 million times 1 m squared over 10,000, or simply 4 million m squared divided by 10,000. So to divide, we will just cancel out the zeros. So we have 4 zeros here on our denominator. So we are going to cancel out 4 zeros. So that means our answer is 400 m squared. Objective number 6. Convert SI units of volume, cubic centimeters, milliliters, liters, and cubic meters. These are our conversion factors. 1 meter cube equals 1,000 liters, which is also equal to 1 million centimeter cube. And 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters, and 1 milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter cube. Example number 6. Convert 3,000 centimeter cube to liter. So again, we are going to multiply 3,000 centimeter cube by a conversion factor where cm cube is on the denominator. So that's 3,000 cm cube times 1 liter over 1,000 cm cube. Now cm cube cancels out. So that means 3,000 times 1 liter divided by 1,000, and that is equal to 3 liters. Objective number 7. Convert SI units of mass, milligrams, grams, kilograms, and tons. These are our conversion factors. 1 ton equals 1,000 kilograms, 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams, and 1 gram equals 1,000 milligrams. Example number 7. 1.6 tons equals space grams. We don't have a conversion factor converting ton to grams. So first we are going to convert it to kilograms, then from kilograms to grams. So we are going to copy down 1.6 tons and then multiply it by a conversion factor showing the unit ton on the denominator. So that's times 1,000 kilograms over 1 ton. Again, we are going to convert kilograms to grams, so multiplying it by a conversion factor where kilogram is shown on the denominator. So that's times 1,000 grams over 1 kilogram. So this ton cancels out, and also this kilogram cancels out. So 1.6 times 1,000 times 1,000 grams equals 1,600,000 grams. Objective number 8. Convert units of length between US units and SI units. So they are inches, centimeters, and feet. These are the conversion factors. 1 foot equals 30.48 cm, and 1 inch equals 2.54 cm. Example number 8. Convert 8 inches to cm. We are going to write down 8 inches, then multiply it by a conversion factor showing the unit inch on the denominator. So that's 8 inch times 2.54 cm over 1 inch. Now this inch cancels out, so that means it's 8 times 2.54 cm over 1, or simply 8 times 2.54 cm, and that is equal to 20.32 cm. Objective number 9. Convert units of area between US units and SI units. The units are square inches and square centimeters. So this is our conversion factor. 1 inch squared equals 6.45 cm squared. Example number 9. Convert 4 inch squared to cm squared. So again, we are going to write down 4 inch squared, then multiply it by a conversion factor showing inch squared on the denominator. So that's 4 inch squared times 6.45 cm squared over 1 inch squared. So this inch squared cancels out. So this means 4 times 6.45 cm squared over 1. And that is equal to 25.8 cm squared. Objective number 10. Convert units of volume between US units and SI units. And the units are liters and gallons. So this is our conversion factor. 1 gallon equals 3.79 liters. Example number 10. Convert 18.95 liters to gallon. So for our solution, we are going to write down 18.95 liters and multiply it by a conversion factor showing the unit liters on the denominator. So that's 18.95 L times 1 gal over 3.79 L. So this L or liters cancels out, and that means 18.95 times 1 gal over 3.79, or simply 18.95 gallons divided by 3.79, and that is equal to 5 gallons. Objective number 11. Express SI units of mass to US units of weight and vice versa, and the units are kilograms and pounds. This is our conversion factor. 1 kilogram equals 2.2 pounds. Example number 11. How many kilograms are there in 24.2 pounds? So for our solution, we are going to write down 24.2 pounds and then multiply it by a conversion factor where pound is shown on the denominator. So that's 24.2 pounds times 1 kilogram over 2.2 pounds. So these pounds cancels out. So that means 24.2 kilograms divided by 2.2, and that is equal to 11 kilograms. Objective number 12. Convert between the different units of temperature. So the units are degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. And these are our formulas. Degrees Celsius equals 5/9 times the quantity degrees Fahrenheit minus 32. And also degrees Fahrenheit equals 9/5 times degrees Celsius plus 32. Example number 12. Convert 50 degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. So since we need Celsius, so this is the formula that we are going to use. And substituting our F with 50, this is what we get. Degrees Celsius equals 5/9 times the quantity 50 degrees minus 32 degrees. We will first simplify what is inside the parentheses. Degrees Celsius equals 5/9 times 18. 18 because 50 degrees minus 32 degrees equals 18 degrees. So 18 divided by 9 is 2, times 5 is 10. So that means 50 degrees Fahrenheit equals 10 degrees Celsius. Example number 13. Convert 30 degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit. Since we need degrees Fahrenheit, this is the formula that we are going to use. We are going to substitute degrees Celsius with 30. So that means we have degrees Fahrenheit equals 9 over 5 times 30 degrees plus 32 degrees. First, we are going to simplify this part here. So 30 divided by 5 is 6, times 9 is 54. So that means we have degrees Fahrenheit equals 54 degrees plus 32 degrees. And 54 plus 32 equals 86. So this means 30 degrees Celsius equals 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Teacher Rejil. Keep safe.